কৃষ্ণেন্দু, তোদের সেকেন্ড ইয়ার ইংলিশ মাইনরে দ্য ল্যান্ডলেডি বাই রোল্ড ডাল এটা পড়েছিস আশা করি ভালো মতো।
হ্যাঁ, পড়া হয়ে গেছে।
তোকে ওই ল্যান্ডলেডির থেকে আমি কয়েকটা র্যাপিড ফায়ার টাইপ অফ কোয়েশ্চেন্স করছি, তুই আনসার দিবি। ফার্স্ট কোয়েশ্চেন, হু ইজ বিলি ওয়েভার?
Billy Weaver is a 17 years old businessman.
Where does he go?
He goes to Bath
Why did he choose the boarding house?
because it's the cheapest, cozy, and feels safe. Very.
Okay, now name the landlady's pets. Like how many pets does she have?
Ducks hunt and parrot.
Now the mysterious part, were they alive or dead?
No, they were dead.
She has a guest book, and what do you think? What's the odd thing about that guest book?
There are only 2% name and only in entries, not in any exits.
What drink did she offer Billy?
Remember properly, but it can be coffee or tea.
And what does the landlady actually preserve?
Animal and probably guests.
Who's the story writer?
Rolled Dahl.
Final question, what's the genre of this story?
Mysterious thriller.
What's your one-liner opinion after reading the story?
The story was good, but it ends with a suspense.